Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to pair and connect a Bluetooth keyboard with your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Firstly, open the main settings app and then tap in the search bar at the top and type in Bluetooth. Tap on the top search result and then you may need to tap on Bluetooth again until you get to the page where you can turn it on. Turn on Bluetooth with the toggle switch if it isn't on already, and now wait a few seconds. Switch your attention to your Bluetooth keyboard. You need to get it into pairing mode. The method to do this can differ on each keyboard. On some there will be a pair button, and other devices will require you to hold down the power button for a long time, for example 10 seconds. You may also have to press a certain key combination. Check online or in the product manual for your device's pairing method if you're not sure. A light should start flashing indicating that it's pairing. Back on your phone, find your keyboard on the list. It may take a few seconds to show up. If it doesn't, you may need to tap on Scan or the Pair New Device button. Once you see your keyboard in the Available Devices section, tap on it and wait a few seconds for it to connect. Some keyboards may require you to enter a code, so do this if it asks. Once connected, it should appear in the Saved or Current Devices section, and here you can either tap on it or on the cog icon next to it to change settings, disconnect, or unpair the device. In the device's settings, check that anything relating to typing or text input is turned on. The keyboard should now work, and you can test it out. That's how to pair and connect a Bluetooth keyboard with your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.